How to remove login password from your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Hey everybody, if you want to do so in today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial. Removing your password makes your PC less secure, but you can just go over and try out this method if you really want to do so. First of all, we can press Windows plus R and then just type in net PLWIZ and press enter, and this opens up. Now from here, we can just go over into the user accounts window, for example this, and from here we can select the per account, and here if you have set a password, we can uncheck the options for user must enter a password to use this computer and apply the changes. That should do it, and you can restart your PC once you do so and it will log in automatically. Apart from that, we can switch to PIN, which is optional alternative, so you can go to settings for that, go to accounts option, within accounts go to sign in options, and under ways to sign in, you can go for the PIN option and set up a PIN, and you can skip the password on the login. Or you can disable the password from wake up and sleep as well. So within your settings, go to accounts once again, look out for sign in options, and under require sign in option here, ways to sign in, you can just go and select the option for never and follow the prompts to unset it, and that should also work out for you. But that is it, everybody. If you want to remove login password from your Windows 11 PC or laptop, these are the methods you can follow up. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.